are going to cover how to click this alert button through the Playwright. You can see I click this one. So how to handle this alert button through the Playwright and how to click this OK button. So to handle this in the Playwright, first of all, we need to handle the dialog handler for this. So you can see the simple alert, confirmation alert, prompt alert. So we are going to cover here simple alert. So firstly, to handle this, we need to create the dialog handler. So we have to do this through the Playwright. So a few seconds. I'm deleting the previous code. Here I have already launched this URL. You can see. So URL is already there. I copy pasted from here. You can see. Now we need to create the dialog handler here. Right. So how we can do that? So what we can do that, like first of all, we can do by like page by page dot on page dot on dialog. You can see dialog comma async. I created async, so you can see async dialog. You can see I have already created dialog handler here. Now it's time to handle the assertion. So how to do the assertion? Expect dialog type to contain alert. So what type of alert is it is what type of dialog it is? It is a alert type of dialog. You can see this is a alert type of sample alert type of dialog. Now what message it is containing? It is containing the message as I am a text box. So I'm copy pasting this one. Expect. Let me copy paste this one. Let me copy paste this one. So I'm copy pasting this one. Now you can see message to contain I am a alert box. So I copy pasted this one. So what type of message is contained? I am a alert box. Now we need to accept this. We need to click this one firstly. So how we going to click this one? So we need to accept the dialog. So await dialog dot accept. So you can see the dialog will be accepted. Now after this we have created a dialog handler. Now we need to click the OK button. So how to click the OK button? We need to determine its locator. So how we can determine the locator? Firstly we go here, like right click this one, we open in the inspect section, it will open. You can see sample alert. You can see ID is alert button. So I'm clicking this one. Now page locator. So what will happen here? It will click the OK button, right? Let's see, we want to hold our execution for few seconds. Wait for timeout for 3 seconds. So our execution will hold for 3 seconds. And here you can see now we are ready to test this dialog. So I'm clicking this one. I'm running this test case. So npx playwright test webkit npx example is the file name. Headed means that I'm going to execute in a browser. Which browser are going to execute? I'm going to execute test case in a WebKit. So you can specify if you want to execute a test case in web Chromium, you can specify Chromium. If you want to execute a test case in Firefox, you can specify the Firefox. And if you want to execute a test case in headless mode, do not specify these last three lines. You can specify the file name. That's it. So as it will execute your test case in a headless mode, that will execute in a background. So you can see started execution. So running one test using the one worker, and here you can see WebKit is the browser name and the file name is the test case name. You can see. So it will launch our browser in few seconds. So you can see the browser has been launched successfully. You can see here it go. Which is taking some time. Just wait for a few seconds. I look like our test case got failed for the first time. So let us let us let us execute one more time. Let's see. It should be able to execute at the second time. Same thing. Again, I'm executing the test case because first time it got failed. So we have to wait for a few seconds. Now you can see our browser has been launched successfully. Now you can click, you can see the sample alert has been clicked successfully. And now you can see our test case passed successfully. So this is how you can handle the alert. Thank you.